friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session guys, we are doing incident of tax. Incident of tax, here we have three columns named as residents and ordinary resident, resident and not ordinary resident, and we have non-resident. So here the simple thing we have to do is the format is about like this, and how to solve this sum. This sum can be for 6 marks and also for 14 marks. So let's solve this question. Let's know first the format of this question. Okay, so guys, this is very important. I think you have to know each and every point of this. Let's begin with the format of this. So first here we have it is very easy, just think about it. So first we have earned in India and received money outside. The income earned in India and receive money outside, it is taxable for 3. The 50,000 will come for 3 column also, as 50,000, 50,000 and 50,000. Earned out, income earned in outside and received in India. So the income is earned out of the India, maybe USA, America, anything, and it is received in India. So that is also taxable for 3. The same amount you are writing thrice. Then we have earned in India and received in India. The income is earned in India only and it is received in India only. So it is taxable for 3. That is the same amount we have to write for 3. Earning and receiving is outside. The income is earned and it is received outside. For example, it may be America, USA, UK. So it is taxable for only 1, and these 2 boxes are dash dash. What are these 3 columns? So it is resident and ordinary resident, resident and non-ordinary resident, and of course non-resident. So there are 3 columns which here it is placed down, and we have learned this thing. Income earned and received outside but control from India. The income is received outside and it is earned outside, but the control is in India, so it is taxable for 2, and this is dash. Income earned and received outside India and controlled outside only. So everything is outside, so only 1, and this 2 dash. Past. So here what happened is the 2019 tax we are paying on 2021. So those entries are not taxable. It is exempted. Then we'll go with the gift received from his friend less than 50,000. If the gift is less than 50,000, then only it is exempted. If it is more than 50,000, we'll write down here 3 column as it is. We did here 55, 70,000, 70,000, 70,000 as it is. Then dividend from cooperative society. Okay, here we buy here dividend from an Indian company. So Indian, or we can say domestic company. If it is less than 10 lakhs, then it is exempted. If it is more than 10 lakh, then we will write down here the value. It may be 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Okay. Dividend from cooperative society. The dividend from cooperative society, it is taxable. It's the same amount, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 should be written here. Dividend from foreign company in India. Dividend from foreign company we are receiving in India, the dividend, so it is taxable for 3. Shares of profit from Hindu undivided family, HUF, it is exempted. And guys, here also we have the entry of post office. See, post office we have 10,000 of limit. Okay, if it is exceeds 10,000, we have to write the amount for the 3 columns. If it is below 10,000, then then it is exempted. Understanding? Okay. So in the next section, we'll start with the solution of this thing, the incident of tax, which is very important for 6 and 14 marks. So I think all have understand the concept very well. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, then please subscribe our channel Top Education. Thank you.